Hi guys, welcome back to my video. And in this video I'm going to show you 3 essential items that you need, either spray or cleaning products that you need to clean your air fryer for beginners and for people that have been using air fryers for a long time. So these 3 products are 1 spray, 1 cream or gel, and a piece of equipment that's really good for cleaning your air fryers. Use this degreaser. You can use any degreaser. There's a lot out there. There's cheap degreasers, expensive degreasers. They all do the same. They all take the existing fat off, so there's not much fat on there and oil. So you need a really good degreaser. I spray it on the fatty areas once, then I get in there, give it a good scrub. I don't use a metal scourer because it'll scratch the inside of my air fryer. So I just give it a really good scrub first with this degreaser and a soft abrasive scourer, and then get it off and then spray it on again and then leave it for a little bit and then go back to it, and then I get a scourer and scour it off again. You've got to really get in there with the scourer, get in the baskets, get under the racks, near the fan as well. You've really got to get that degrease, that grime, that dirt off there, so that it really looks nice, clean, pristine, and your food will perform a lot better when your air fryer is clean. This is the really important thing. Your air fryer has to be clean with degreaser, and you've got to wash it all out so it doesn't smell of degreaser. You've got to really get in there with some soapy liquid or some, you can steam your air fryer. Certain air fryers steam as well, like the Ninja Combi. You can put it on a steam function, so you can really get in there and clean your air fryer. But this is a really good degreaser, but you can use any degreaser. The next one is I've got this oven and cookware citrus paste gel. You can get this from anywhere. It's a really good gel, and what I do with it is I put it on with a small cloth and just rub it on gently, and then or with a non-abrasive scourer I put it on with this sponge part, and I just rub it in gently and just put a little bit on. You'll see that the cream is nice and thick and it's really nice. It smells very citrusy. Don't want to use this gel, you can use a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon, yeah, and white wine vinegar, and just mix it and then just put it on a cloth and just rub it in gently into the air fryer. It really gets it clean and really gives it that really good smell. And this is the best product that I've found that you can use. You can buy it in 1 kg, but you don't have to use this. There is other creams out there that are non-abrasive to your air fryers, but I find this is a good, clean, good smelling gel, so that's why I use this one. The sponge that I use is non-abrasive. It's got a nice little sponge bit there, and then it's got not very abrasive there, so it doesn't scratch my air fryer, doesn't scratch the baskets, doesn't scratch the glass at the front of the air fryer. It's cream. It also works on your oven as well, so it's really good on the glass doors of the ovens and sort of on the trays of the ovens and the shelves, so it's all good all rounder. And also the degreaser works on ovens as well and works on air fryers, so that's a good old. Uses a toothbrush. You can use any toothbrush. It just lets me get under the fan and get all the dirt and grease off the fan. I put it in a little bit of this cream and then give it a really good scrub, or degreaser as well, and give it a really good scrub under the fan. Really get in there and on the edges of the shelves and round the shelves and give it a good scrub, so that it really gets in there and it's not abrasive. It doesn't scratch it. It's got good soft bristles and it really gets in the dirt and grime. Another one is just some cheap washing up liquid. I use that as well. Put it in some warm water, get that and scrub it really on the sides, on the bottom, and a little bit on the top. Just make sure you obviously switch your air fryer off. You don't have it plugged in and you have the off button off when you're cleaning it. Make sure that everything's out of the air fryer. Make sure you soak your baskets, your trays, everything. And then you'll get a really good sparkling air fryer. That's really good. The other thing that I use is a microfiber. I find that a microfiber doesn't scratch the air fryer in and out, so it's a really good thing to use. So these are really good products, like the washing up liquid, this citrus gel, the toothbrush. I've got a really good sponge there, degreaser, and a microfiber. These are all good things for the air fryer that you can clean your air fryer with, that really add to the condition, really add that it doesn't, it doesn't smell, make your food smell. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you're liking my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.